There comes a time in any great entrepreneur's life where they're going to have to be willing to go broke to get to their destination. The higher the levels, the higher the devils. You hear me? The higher the levels, the higher the devils to bring you down when you're climbing that mountain that you're aiming for. You need so much guts. You need so much self-belief when you're pushing and pushing and pushing and trying to achieve something out of your life. The information is not there. They teach you the 2 times table in school. They don't teach you the rules to make money, how to manage your money. They want you to be dumb in managing your money so they can take advantage of you. Be willing to get broke. Be willing to be broke to get yours. Every single time you fall, keep rising up. True success is rising up every time you fall, and there's nothing more important than your enthusiasm. You hear me? Jumping from failure to failure to failure without losing your enthusiasm and your self-belief. That's what it takes. This ain't no joke. I've been broke 3 or 4 times in my life, and I rose back up, because that's what it takes to be the Student Loan Millionaire. I don't come to make up no numbers. I will fight till my last breath. I know what it takes. Be willing to be broke to get to where you want to go. It's not easy. If it was easy, everybody would be a millionaire. It's easy for the people who are wealthy already. It's easy for the ones that are wealthy already, because they know the system and they won't teach you guys the rules, because you're gonna muscle in on their pie. It's the God's honest truth. I'm sick of these carrots, sick of these funnels, sick of people taking advantage of people online and on social media. This is a Student Loan Millionaire here. I'm being real. I'm telling you, you have to get broke. You have to be broke to get to where you want to go. It's hard. It's hard, man. It's tough. It takes away your sleep. Takes away your appetite. Hurts you. You don't know which direction to go. Left, right, up, down. You don't know what to do. The money's run out, and you want to buy a property. There's no money. You want to do deals, and there's no cash. All your friends don't have any more money, and the ones that have the money don't want to loan you money because they're selfish. It's a selfish world out there. Everybody's thinking about themselves. You're going to have to knock on 100 doors to get one person to help you. That's how I became a Student Loan Millionaire. So be prepared to be broke. Be prepared to be broken to go to your destination of where you want to go. Are you ready for the fight? If you're not ready for a fight, go and work 9 to 5. And moan and complain. Have your politics at work. Blame your boss. Blame the economy. Go home. Pay your mortgage for 30 years. Go for a pension plan, which there's a 40% chance you won't make it until you're 80. Go for that life if you want to go for that life. Or go for the life where you will fight for even a 1% chance to create wealth for your whole generations. Don't create wealth, create an empire. And my hand is getting tired. I need a selfie stick, man. That's a random video from my heart. from my soul. Don't ever give up, guys. Don't ever give up. I'm telling you, your time will come. Sooner or later, your time will come. But it's not easy. If it was easy, everybody would be a millionaire. So if you're struggling right now, I want you to push. Keep pushing, keep striving for a better day. Those better days will come. Everything is on the other side of pain. Everything's on the other side of struggle, pain. Don't give up. Don't give up. It'll get easier later on. Don't give up. The door will open for the man who seeks, or the woman who seeks. The door will open. The door has to open. The problem is, do you have enough fight in you to get that door smashed to pieces? The higher you go, the higher the levels you go, the bigger the devil. The higher the level, the bigger the devil to drop you down. The foolish people created money and wealth, and everybody's running for competition of it, and it's held by some very corrupt, sneaky people. And I tell you, you guys better open the door, because Sunil's coming. You can't stop me. I'm rich. Why I take so many risks, why I have taken so many risks in my life, is because I know if I have a house, a roof over my head, and I have food, I'm rich. If I have just food, enough money to eat food, and have a roof over my head, I am rich. So I take risks to get richer and wealthier, because I'm rich already. But I don't want to lose the empire that I built, because that came from guts. That came from fighting wars, business wars, physical wars. I've been through hell to get mine. I've been through hell to get mine. And nobody suffered more than me since 2008 in this credit crunch. Nobody. It's been an absolute hard struggle since 2008. I would have been a billionaire, potential billionaire, if 2008 didn't happen. I could have been worth 200 to 300 million pounds. But Sunil don't play around, okay? And now I'm an events promoter. It takes people 2 years of university education to handle events like what I'm doing with Eric Thomas now. And I'll love it. And I'm going to do events for the rest of my life. But the message for all of you today is you're going to have to be willing to get broke. You have to be willing to become broke and lose everything if you want to get to where you want to go. Are you prepared? Because I've been prepared 4 or 5 times, and I'm prepared today again. Nobody can take this house away from me and my food. I got food, I got milk, I got sugar, and I ran out of sugar. I got milk. I got food to eat. I got a shelter, so I'm rich. And everything else I do makes me richer, makes me wealthier. The empire that I'm building, all of that, that is subservient to me being rich. I'm richer. I know I'm rich already because I got food and I got shelter. I just want to build more wealth for the generations to come. And I see it as a game I play to win. So be prepared to get broke for what you want to achieve in your life. That's the message today. It's your boy, Student Loan Millionaire. Go to Instagram, Student Loan Millionaire, Facebook, Sunil.com, and follow me, because I'm the realest one out there. The absolute realest. I show you my good days, my bad days, my hard days, my happy days. I show you everything. But one thing I don't put you in is a goddamn funnel, carrot, all that bullshit. carrots and funnels that's going around everywhere. People offering you the world, and they won't give you a finger when you finish that course. They won't give you nothing. Click all these buttons and try all these courses. Most of them, 99% of those courses are fucking bullshit, and it's a disgrace you treating my entrepreneurs like that. But I'm here to tell you guys, it's not all glory. Get ready for pain to get the game. Let's go.